I'm going to show you some basics of bash scripting, and first I'm going to log in with the SSH-L, which will enable secure connection and allow me to gain access to a remote computer. Now I'm going to use a nano text editor, and we will create our first bash script. Now I'm going to name it something, for example script.sh, and sh is extension used for bash scripting. Every bash script must begin with hashbang /bin/bash, and now we will write echo, which will output either on screen or, for example, to file if we need it. Now first we need to make the bash file executable, and we will do it with change mode +6, and file name in this case is script.sh. In order to run this script, we can execute it like ./script.sh. Now that is our output. Now we're going to open the script again and change it a bit. We're going to introduce the sleep and read commands, and in this example whatever we type as a response will be the output. Now I'm going to type read output, and let's see if the script receives this output. And if it does, it will print it on the screen. I'll save the script again and execute it. So that's it for now.